Right now we're about to show you how you prepare ackee the authentic Jamaican way. Normally you use the ackee in the can. We're going to show you how once you get it from the tree what you have to look for and things like that. And mommy I'm going to show you exactly how she get it cleaned up and ready for cooking. So the one in the can that's already pre-cooked and everything, we're going to show you how to bring it to that pre-cooked state.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So, what the first thing what they need to do when they get ackee?
The ackee have to open like this.
So this is what the ackee should look like when you purchase it. If it's not open up like that, it is poisonous if you try to force. If it's closed like this, close up and show them. So if the ackee is closed up like that, then it's poisonous. When you purchase them at the farmer's market, they should be open like that, freely. You know, so they pick them off the tree and they're open up like that. And show them how you deal with it now, mommy.
Open it. And this is one. All three is one ackee.
So one pod give you 3 ackee. You know what I say? So you open them up. You can just use your hand for this one. And then of course that black thing you're looking at, it is the seed. And you can replant those. You feel what I say?
So the poison.
Well,
If this cooking ackee is poison, then here.
we know people that ackee personally take them life. So how much dozen of ackee this?
2 dozen.
So 2 dozen ackee can cook for a family of 5. You know what I say? Jamaica's national fruit, and the texture of ackee is that of scrambled egg texture and both the appearance. You know what I say? So first, this is what it looks like. You remove the seed here. You open the pods.
You have to remove all these red. Make sure you say the red is not in there.
Wagga in the race, wagga in the race, wagga in the race, wagga backside, donkey and singing. Yo, wanna fast? Gonna lead a no. Alright, so here goes the ackee. So first you want to bring about 3 to 4 cups of water to a boil, and we're cooking 2 dozen ackee.
You don't wash the ackee because it will be bitter. So when you pick out it, make sure you pick out it clean and nice and make the water boil with a little bit of salt to taste the ackee. So now I'm gonna put in my ackee.
You see it? They are brave up in the camera now, you see? And how long are you going to make this boil for now?
As soon as it gets soft.
So about 5 to 7 minutes?
Not too soft, you can't cook it.
So about 5 to 7 minutes?
Depends on how tough the ackee is. Yes, so ackee is gonna cook until it's tender. So when you feel that tenderness, then you know that it cooked. But you can't tell how much minutes it's gonna cook for, because sometimes you have the butter ackee easier to cook and you have the hard nature ackee. So the hard nature is
so butter ackee very soft, and yes. Then when you look at it, mash up.
Yes, so you're not gonna know the time when it's gonna cook because you don't know what nature ackee.
Okay, so you just have to, we have to monitor it then.
Yes, yeah. When you get tender, so you take a fork and you take off one and you feel it with your finger once, or you taste it once you feel it cooked, then you know.
Once it's soft enough.
Right, then you strain off your water.
So we'll cover that now and make it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes, and we check in between as what mommy said earlier for tenderness. That's what we're looking for. Nothing too soft, too mushy. Once your fork can insert without any resistance, then you're good. You know what I say? So after 7 minutes, we'll show you what I got. Once it starts to boil, you're going to remove your lid a bit, just so it doesn't boil over. Alright, so now it's a testing process. So you cook it. Okay, so it needs to be softened a bit more. So about another 2 more minutes. Alright, so now we're going to strain this off.
Yeah, me see you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.